How to turn off secure storage on Messenger. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So it's actually super easy to do. And what you want to do is go to the top left corner on these three lines. You want to open up the settings. Once you are here, you just simply want to go to privacy and safety, just like that. And here we can see end-to-end encrypted chats. Now, if we click on here, we now have an option called message storage. Now, if we click on here, we can see that this is actually turned on. And at the bottom, we can turn off secure storage, or we can delete and turn off secure storage. Now, what does the secure storage actually do? Secure storage will be turned off on all devices when your device storage runs low. Messages older than 90 days may be deleted. So what it actually does is it allows you to access your messages on different devices, not only this specific phone. But if you want to turn it off, simply click on the red turn it off, click on continue. And we should have turned it off right now. Yes, as you can see, we have turned it off. So that is pretty much it. That's how to turn off secure storage on Messenger.